Hey guys, my name is Dimitri, and this is a new arrival at Car City Inc. A beautiful 2013 Ford F150 XLT 4-wheel drive. It's also very popular and nice pickup trucks. Got only 125,000 miles. Beautiful in and out, you know, with a very nice body. The paint looks great, no issues at all. No visible rust. Actually, it came from south. I think it's been in Tennessee, so there is no Chicago winters. You know, it looks sharp and beautiful, well maintained, 4-wheel drive XLT model. Nice grille, fog lights, running boards. Nice tires with nice rims, chrome rims, looks beautiful. Tires, like I said, I can just give you a look for the frame. Again, it's very minimal rust. Let's look inside. It's got cloth interior, which is also in good shape. You know, just came from the detail. There is a lot of space over here too. Again, no problems at all. Beautiful pickup truck with a nice cover bed too. You know, you can put your tools. It's 125,000 miles. No warning lights. You know, there is a backup camera. There is a climate control. Everything is in working condition. Beautiful pickup truck for sale at Car City Inc. Engine sounds nice, no problem whatsoever. I mean, beautiful, clean pickup truck with a clean Carfax and clean title at Car City Inc. There is our website and our phone number over there. If you guys have any questions, you know, if you're looking for finance, you know, we have it here. We got 150 cars. We can help you out to get you know, beautiful used vehicle, and you know, make sure that you are happy. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day, guys.